Hey guys, I'm back! If you are new, my name is Eileen. Welcome to my channel. I've been away for 3 years and I will fill you in more details about it shortly. Today, I've got two super easy Valentine's home decor to share, so let's get started. For our first DIY, I just used this beaded heart wreath that I got from Hobby Lobby. It was 40% off, so it was around $3. It's a nice size. Also, Dollar Tree carry beaded circular wreath if you like that option. Here, I created a simple bow using my Christmas ribbon, and I also added heart pattern ribbon for Valentine's touch. Then afterward, I just used the zip ties to attach the bow on the heart wreath. For the hanger, I just used the twine that came with it. I just trimmed it. Also, I secured the bow using my hot glue. You can stop right here, or you can also add more details by incorporating some greeneries or some wooden hearts. I also grabbed these wooden heart from Hobby Lobby. It was 40% off, so it was around $1. Here I painted one wooden heart using my Crimson by Waverly, and the other heart I used Truffle by Waverly. Then once it is dry, I just hot glue it on the wreath. Tada! You're done with the first DIY. So what do you think? I hope you like it. For our second DIY, I picked up a wooden heart shape from Hobby Lobby. It was 40% off. Also, Dollar Tree carry wooden heart. And here, I painted the wooden heart with my Rust-Oleum linen white chalk paint. I did not paint the board perfectly to have that rustic or farmhouse appearance. And to distress the edges, I used the Waverly Truffle, dabbing off the excess paint on the paper towel and lightly applying it like this. For this part, I have this hello fall sign. I just want the word hello because of the nice font and it's a good size. I just used my X-Acto knife to remove the word hello. This was the most challenging part of the project. The wood is very thick, so it was hard for me to cut it off. I just used the X-Acto knife and hammered it down until it gave it away. And once it is cut, I just use my sunblock to smooth out the edges. And after that, I painted it using my acrylic paint. And once it is dry, I lay it out on the wooden heart and mark where will I put it. And I just use the hot glue to attach it. You can also use wood glue if you want to, but hot glue works perfectly fine for this project. To remove the glue strings, I just use the blow dryer and it works really good. And here, I tried to play with the greeneries, floral, and bows everything looks good, but I ended up using the florals. I also found this Christmas pick in my stash. I think it's a perfect Valentine's touch. You can use any floral or bows or any greeneries that you have on hand. And for the hanger, I just used this ribbon that I have on hand. I just tied it 2 times like this, and you are done with this DIY. So what do you think? 3 years ago, I decided to stop posting videos here on YouTube because I wanted to be fully available with my daughter. I cherish every moment with her, and when I stopped doing the video, she was 3 years old and she stopped taking a nap. So I had a hard time crafting, and also she only have one childhood, so I just want to make more memories with her. I always bring her to the park. We also craft together, baking, and we created countless memories as a family. Now that she is in kindergarten, I've found spare time and I've decided to create and upload this video. While I can't promise a weekly upload, I'm eager for what's to come in my next video. Also, last year, we welcomed a new addition to our family, a beautiful baby named Chloe, who is now almost 4 months old. Claire loves her so much. And also, guys, thank you for all your support, messages, and comments during my time away. I miss you all so much. So, guys, see you on my next DIY. Bye bye. God bless you all.